Today in Parking Network News, yet another New Jersey community chooses the Mobile Now mobile phone parking service. Zurich Airport launches a new booking service. Passport parking is growing in popularity in the United States. And get ready for the first Latin American Parking Congress. Welcome to the first edition of our weekly Parking Network News. My name is Pieter Jan de Graeve. The East Lansing City Council agreed to conduct a 6-month trial to test credit card-enabled parking meters from IPS Group. IPS Group will install 10 solar powered parking meters that accept coins and credit card payments. The City Council will evaluate the parking meters in March 2015, but already expect that they will add a new level of convenience and service to the residents. Passport parking is growing in popularity in the United States. Headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina, Passport Parking is an industry-leading provider of integrated cloud-based parking solutions. With Cleveland State University, the City of Lincoln, Fort Myers, Westchester, and many more, Carlisle, Pennsylvania now also announced to implement Passport parking throughout all of its metered parking spaces. In addition to paying for parking on the go, users can extend their parking session from any location. They receive text messages when the meter is about to expire. Hohokus is the newest New Jersey municipality in the growing number of New Jersey communities to embrace Mobile Now's mobile phone parking service. Once registered, residents can pay for parking using an app, scanning a QR code, or by calling the local pay by cell phone number. In less than a month, a growing 20% of all parking sessions were paid by mobile, which is a phenomenal beginning. We held a short interview with Mobile Now's CEO at the previous IPI show in Dallas and asked him why his solution is unique in the business.
Well, I think they're unique in a number of ways. I think, first of all, we're the only mobile payment company that is run by someone that has a parking background. I've been in parking as a consultant and working for the two largest parking companies in the world for almost 30 years. So we think that's a decided advantage. Mobile Now is also the only national mobile payment company that has never lost a customer, and we've actually taken customers away from all of our major competitors. So we think that's important. Our call center is based in lovely New Jersey, so we're entirely U.S.-based. With all of the points that touch our customers throughout the country, and yet in just a few short years we've actually grown to almost 50 locations. We also have no venture capital money, we have no debt, and we definitely will be one of the consolidators rather than one of the consolidatees that are certainly coming to this industry.
In addition to enabling virtual payment and collection options, the Mobile Now platform offers full enforcement, management, and reporting capabilities. Parking in downtown Allentown during an Eagles concert with 10,000 visitors sound like a disaster, although not this time. Last week the Eagles played PPL Center's opening night. The many visitors were a challenge to Allentown's parking authority. T2 Systems provided the parking authority with 28 handhelds with Permit Now event parking software that were used in 18 different lots across the city. There were 2 consultants on site, one at the busiest lot and one in a tactical vehicle. They used the T2 Flex monitoring system to observe usage and troubleshoot any issues. This was the first event in Allentown using the T2 event parking solution, and it turned out to be a great success. The busiest and world's best airport of 2014 in Zurich, Switzerland, chose Inventive IT's bookable parking system called Altitude Reservation. Travelers now have the opportunity to book their parking in advance in 3 easy steps. Altitude Reservation is delivered as a fully managed service and seamlessly integrated with the airport's existing website and on-site equipment. World Sensing has signed an agreement with Polish company City Parking Group to implement their smart parking technology called FastPark in Poland, Czech Republic, and Slovakia. FastPark is based on wireless sensors installed in each parking bay and enables users to find a parking spot via mobile app or through electronic street panels. Traffic density in the city centers is therefore reduced after FastPark has been deployed, helping to create a greener city. FastPark also allows the city to monitor and manage the parking base 24/7, obtaining real-time occupancy and correlating it with payment information. Just one more week until the Airport Parking Network event, the place where the leaders from the industry and airport parking managers from all over the world get together for 2 days of purely airport parking focused sessions.
Last year the event was in Lisbon, so we built some pretty good connections during that event. We managed to do a deal with Copenhagen Airport, and we also did a deal with Zurich, so it was a really good event for us last year, and hopefully we can get a similar performance this year as well. All the commercial decision makers seem to be here.
I think within the first 5 minutes I found a solution to a problem that we've been having at Cape Town International Airport, so I'm really chuffed about it. All the airport managers from across the world under one roof, including all the equipment suppliers under the same roof. There is no other event like that in the world.
This year's event is held in Munich, Germany on the 6th and 7th of October. If you want to participate, you have to be quick as the registrations are about to close. Go to parkingevent.com for more information. Another unique event that will take place next month is the first Latin American Parking Congress on the 28th to the 30th of October in Sao Paulo, Brazil. This Congress is a result of a partnership between Abrapark, the IPI, and Expo Parking. One of the confirmed international speakers for the event is Simone Frank of Skadeda. She will present a customer-focused integrated services for parking facilities. Among the Brazilian speakers is Luis Virgil, General Manager of Quercus Brazil. His presentation will focus on parking facilities that use automated license plate recognition technology. Luis Virgil's presentation is titled Emerging Trends in ANPR Applications for Parking. According to Quercus, trend-setting devices in parking management are based on so-called plug-and-play architecture. These devices have user-friendliness as a key point and are fast and easy to install. Furthermore, he talks about the benefits of license plate recognition technology, which go beyond reliable detection, from giving the end user the option to book a parking space online, to gathering information on customer shopping patterns for marketing purposes. Thank you for watching Parking Network News. We will be back next week. In the meantime, check parkingnet.com for daily updated information about the parking industry. See you next week.